everyone, I'm Haley from Warrentown Public Library. Since we're still in quarantine, we're going to do Girls of Steel online. This is normally at Bob Kirby once a month. So today we're going to work with some chemicals and we're going to make a very basic, simple acid because we're going to do some cleaning. We're going to clean our pennies and make them nice and shiny again. So you need to grab you some dirty pennies, grab you some white vinegar, and some salt. You don't need so first we're going to take ourselves a little bit of vinegar, just like here. We're going to add some table salt to that. You want to mix that up really well until the salt's all mixed in. And so next we're going to put in our dirty pennies, and you can do some experiment and see what it's like whenever you just dip it in, and you see it sort of needs to sit and soak in it for a little bit. So I give it just a little bit. You can put it in a bunch. I'm using tweezers so if you can get that penny out, just dry it off and let it sit there. And also be sure that you rinse them off, because otherwise they're going to get all blotchy and have this discoloration going on, because the acid's just sitting on there causing all kinds of other chemical reactions to that copper. So be sure you rinse it, and as you can see, slightly more clean. And again, you can experiment with other kinds of metals and try and see if this will do the same thing for non-copper based materials. So yeah, experiment with some nails or screws or any other metals or even other coins that you have and see what you come up with.